Good morning, my dear students. Myself Pooja Jalan, your maths teacher from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today we will learn chapter 3, How Many Squares, in which we will learn how to find area of the given figure. Let us find area of a irregular shape. Suppose 1. This type of shape is given. Now there is no formula to find out this type of shape. So we will count it inner space. So let us count. I have written numbers over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 are the full squares. Now let us count. Here we can see this half square and half square will become 1. This 2 half square will become 1 and here this 2 half square will become 1. So total 1, 2 and 3. So 9 plus this 3 is equal to 12. So the area of this irregular shape is 12 square centimeter. Now suppose this type of irregular shape is given. Now let us find its area. Here we have to remember 2 points. First, we ignore or do not count the squares that are less than half. Second, if a square is more than half, we count the area as 1 square centimeter. So let us try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we can say that the area of this given shape is approximate 14 square centimeter or 14 centimeter square. So definition of area is the amount of surface of figure covers. Area is measured in square units. We can find area of a closed figure only. Here I am drawing one square and one more square. Let us compare perimeter and area. As we know that perimeter is outer line or a boundary of a shape. So here this outer line is called perimeter of a square. And in the second square I am drawing line, means the inner surface of the square or inner part of the square. It is called area of a square. Now unit of area is square centimeters or square meters or square kilometers. We can write square centimeter like centimeter square and square meter like meter square and square kilometers like kilometer square. Now first method to find area, in which we have to divide this square in small 1 centimeter equal squares and then we have to count total number of squares. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, area of a given square is 9 square centimeter. Now, second method to find the area. Here, one rectangle is given. We will solve area of this rectangle by using formula. Its formula is area of a rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B. L means this horizontal line of a rectangle, and it is given 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter, and breadth means B means breadth, and this vertical line of a rectangle is called breadth, and it is given 1, 2, 3 centimeter. So, now let's multiply this two number 4 and 3. We will get 12 centimeter square. So, the area of a given rectangle is 12 square centimeter or 12 centimeter square. Now, let us find area of a square by using formula. Here, area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side. Now, as we know that in square, all four sides are equal. So, here in short form we can write S multiplied by S. Here side is given 1, 2, 3 centimeter. So, I have written 3 multiplied by 3. So, we will get answer 9 square centimeter. So, the area of given square is 9 square centimeter. Now, let us find area of a triangle by using formula. Here, the formula is area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 B multiplied by H. B means base of a triangle, this horizontal line, and H means height of a triangle. Now, suppose B is given 4 centimeter and H is given also 4 centimeter. So, 1/2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Now, 4 4s are 16. Divide by 2. Let us divide 16 by 2. So, we will get answer 8 square centimeter. That is the area of a triangle. So, children, thank you all of you. Stay home, stay safe, and God bless you.